Today we're going to take a look at how we changed this living room from a typical farmhouse style to a transitional, more organic, modern look with just a few simple changes. The first thing we did during this Huntervention was ditch the flush mount light. We installed a Matte Black Techne. This ceiling fan features HunterExpress technology, making installation as easy as 1, 2, 3. The Techne is also one of our SIMPLEconnect smart fans, so it can be controlled with our mobile app or with Alexa, Google Home, or HomeKit. While the ceiling fan was being installed, we went to work on the room's decor. We wanted to keep the color palette of the room neutral with blacks and browns and creams to work with large items in the room that we didn't want to change, like the sofa and the rug. We also wanted the new items to complement the blues in the rug and the large artwork you can see on the wall. When updating your space on a budget, make sure you have a style in mind before you begin. What's on your ceiling can make a huge difference, so start there and work your way down and around the room. Huntervention, a simple change with a big impact.